Hello, this is Hat, and I'm going to install this lock on a door using just a knife. Klein tools knife. Okay, not obviously not a knife, but here you go. Okay, let's go. I don't have to use the knife to install it. I just would like to show that it's possible, or to see if it's possible. I can open the box that the lock came in and do a complete installation using this Klein knife. Okay, I kind of like this knife. We'll talk a little bit more about it, but let me install this lock first. Okay, the door lock is installed pretty easily with a knife from Klein. Here we go. Like I was saying in my previous video, it's a decent knife. I wish this driver was a single piece, because it can easily get lost. And it has only Phillips bit, but that's okay. This is on the driver's side, on the screwdriver's side, okay? It has this nice feature that you can lock the knife in this position. And if you're cutting ceiling tiles or something like that, I think this is really nice feature. I really like this. And you can open it fully and you can keep it in this position. I really like this feature. Okay, the blade is original from Klein tools, which is nice. Should be pretty sharp and good quality. Has a wire stripper. I don't really think it's necessary, but you can just use the knife, this part, right? But whatever. I repair a lot of garden hoses, and I think this nut driver is a really good option, because I can install different nut drivers, and I can tighten a garden hose or whatever that has a clamp on it. I can make a really nice and tight connection. You have to watch, because the clamps have different sizes and nuts, so you're gonna need different nut drivers. But this particular one I can flip, you know, and change the size just like that. Anyway, I like this feature. I don't think you can tighten big 4 or 5 inch pipes, but for light duty this is perfect. This is perfect. Like I was saying, I wish this driver was a single piece, but it is what it is. It's a decent knife. I used it for the first time to install this door lock, so we'll see how it's how we'll see how it holds. This is what it looks like, fully opened. There you go. Again, I like this position, this feature right here, because you can, you know, cut it like this and see what's going on, or like this, when you're opening the boxes. Anyway, thank you for watching. Goodbye.